Hello, my name is David Johansen. I am located in Oslo, Norway. I'm running a company. I'm a CEO in a company called Bomann, and we are a group with companies in Sweden, Denmark, and Norway. Our production is in Sweden, which we have been for now 10-12 years. But we have our head office in Norway. Bomann is a company. We are manufacturing and selling sliding door wardrobes. That's doors made to measure, also from wall to wall and floor to ceiling. So every order is unique. This make quite a big challenge to use software, because most is based on fixed products, fixed measurements, like products on the pallet and in and out. For us, every single order is something special. We have to figure out the measurements for cutting profiles, mirrors, boards, etc. This is complicated, like I said, because of the made to measure. It was no standard product on the market for this. Like all software has been could find and was affordable for us, is based on fixed goods with the article number and amount. So we started this cooperation with Kilowatt for 6 years ago, and has been an ongoing project every day, 5-6 days a week for 6 years now. So this is sort of an internal thing, but when it comes to present this to the market on our website, it's also unique. People can put in their measurements right on the millimeter, and they can. We have the drag and drop, which makes it very simple, and people get their exact price when they're gone through step-by-step input. This was unique in the whole market, in Scandinavia at least. Nobody else had a tool like that. So in that sense, people start to talk about us and talk about our program. So when they met us, they say, okay, it's your company that has this nice program. So it is a lot of work, a lot of money, but it's definitely paying back every single dollar. And the corporation is smooth. Now I think Kilowatt knows more about the sliding doors than we do ourselves. We are still working, and I hope we will work for 6 more years or more than that. We have a commitment with this company that they will always have resources available for us. So it's just a message, a Slack, or a short net meeting, and we understand each other now. After all these years, we know the same terms, called Kilowatt. When we just mention something, they pick up the point, they pick up the problem, and they fix it. So for us, is no other option than continue with Kilowatt and to build the know-how they have about us and we have about them. It's I think it's almost impossible to start over again, and we can strongly recommend Kilowatt, which makes us confident every day that if there are a problem, they fix it, we go on. And we are also now continually developing I think we are working on the 3rd version now, and we are looking forward to present this to the market. And after a while, we will probably come with version 4, because nothing is static today in the markets. Things has to be the market is changing from almost week to week, and we can't stand still. Then somebody will pass us. So we are moving, and Kilowatt is moving forward with us. So this is a fantastic relation, fantastic story, which we want anybody else to experience. I strongly recommend Kilowatt and their team. Thanks.